Hey YouTubers, it's your boy OB coming at you with a new way to work your iPad or your iPhone. Right now I'm using an iPad mini 3. You will go on the video app where your videos are stored. Then you click that video. Then while it is playing, you click the home button. It will minimize. You click the power button. And you will see that the video is on the iPad or your iPhone screen. If your background light is like for 15 seconds or less, it will come off based on the time that you set it. So while you click play, it will come off after the time you set it. You will see that your video is playing like a mp3. Right, that can also save battery if your battery is low and you want to listen to the song but it's in video format. This is a great way to get the job done. So great, I ain't in no haste. Baby, put it on the plate. Yeah. So she want a new man. Tell her get a new man. 'Cause if she want